The Zulay Kitchen Premium Quality Knife Sharpener. This handheld two-stage knife sharpener is the easiest and fastest way to restore that sharp, shiny edge your knives need. It takes just a few swipes to put a fresh edge on the dullest knife. The coarse slot revives dull or damaged blades, while the ceramic slot hones and polishes the blade to perfection. The non-slip padded bottom keeps the sharpener steady on any surface. Restore your knives back to their full glory. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today.